Hello, this is Chaitri. Welcome to Technical Advisor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a picture. Let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open the Google Chrome and just type in splash Adobe background remover, and here it is. You just click on the first link over here. Let me just zoom it. Okay, you just click on the first link over here. All right, perfect. So what you need to do is you need to just click on upload your photo. Just browse on your device. So I'll just click the photos that I want to remove the background from, and it is processing right now. Perfect. You see the background has been removed. So now what I'll do is I'll just click on download, and it will actually ask me to sign up. So what I'll actually do it over here is I'll just click on sign in. And the best thing that I can do over here is I can sign in with my Facebook account, or maybe with my Apple account, or with my Google account. Okay, so as for me, I'll just sign in with my Facebook account, and the photo has been downloaded. You can see it over here, right? The background has been removed. It's just simple and easy. All right, so let me show you one more picture. All right, okay, let me take one more picture. All right, so I'll just click on browse my device. I'll just upload the photo that I want to remove the background for. It will also refine the edges so that there won't be any disruption on the edges. And this is done. You see it? It's simple and easy. It's so perfectly taken out the background. I'll click on download, and the photo has been downloaded. All right, so yeah, this is something which you can use, spark.adobe.com. These tools, you can use it for free. There is no cost on it. The only thing that you need to do over here is just log in with your either Facebook ID, or maybe with your Google account, or maybe with your Apple account. All right, once you're ready, once you sign in with your account, you'll be able to download the file right on and use this image for your editing purpose. You see it? Perfect. All right, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. As you subscribe, it will encourage me to upload more videos and upload more content in regarding to technical help that you may be able to get from this channel. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.